If you've seen my previous videos on these OnePwr batteries, you've seen me strip one down before. There's just 4 T10 Torx screws, but this one was particularly difficult to open. So I used a 1mm Allen key, poked it through those 4 additional little holes that I hadn't seen before. And that allowed me into the battery. An initial look at the BMS, and I couldn't see anything majorly wrong with it. I couldn't see any obvious problems, issues, bad connections. There's obviously an issue somewhere. Have a little bit of a closer look. Again, if you saw my previous videos, you'd have seen the BMS on that earlier battery had a catastrophic failure. In fact, let's have a look at them side by side. And you can see that whatever's gone wrong with this second battery or second pack isn't the same as the first one. So let's have a look at some of the battery voltages then. And we're getting up to just short of 18 volts, which is ballpark of what you'd expect here. Terminal voltage of 3.7. Now these aren't coming in at 3.7. The best I'm getting is 3.6, and the worst was a 3.3, which was this middle cell here. The other difference with this pack compared to the first one is this one is using 21/700s, whereas the other pack used 18/650s. So these are fractionally bigger batteries. I do have some of these, so I'll try and replace any if he sells them. In fact, I might even replace the whole set. So what am I going to do in the interim? I had a quick look on AliExpress, and quite interestingly I found that they were selling compatible battery packs. This one is a much chunkier battery, but it's still only 4 ampere hours. Why is that? I'm not sure. When I ordered mine, there was a 2 ampere hour and a 4 ampere hour. So I ordered the 4, but it is significantly bigger. Now I'm not sponsored by this company. I've just put this up for interest. Could I get in it and have a look at it? That's an interesting question. So let's have a look. They're reporting their batteries are 20 volts, 4 ampere hour. My guess is they've used 18/650s, possibly recovered ones. I could get in. You can see if I press hard on the stickers on the side here, there's obvious access points to screws. But while I'm still on warranty, I'm not going to play around with it. I probably wouldn't do any damage, but I don't want to invalidate my warranty on these batteries. I think it came in at fractionally under £40. As I said, available from AliExpress. You'll have seen the name of the manufacturer. I'm not sponsored, so I'm not actively promoting these, but I do say that this battery does work. And it was cheaper than the original OnePwrs. Will they last? I don't know, but they get a thumbs up from me. Thanks for watching. Bye.